The other day we discussed the rules while using SI unit. एक गाठ बांधलो की ह्याच्या पुढे SI युनिट्स लिहिताना किती केअरफुली लिहावे लागतात. दॅट इज व्हॉट यू लर्न इन युअर 11th स्टँडर्ड स्टुडंट्स. ओके, लास्ट इयर यू आर क्रिएटिंग मिस्टेक अननोइंगली, you were not even aware of it. You were not even aware of it. So this year we will be learning all the methods of units and measurements. I'll continue the next part, and that is method of measurement of length. We'll learn this. Measurement of length. What is length? Length is a simple fundamental quantity. Second, it has SI unit as meter. Third, what logic was used to find this fundamental quantity? It was observed that, म्हणजे हे पूर्वीच्या काळातलं आहे, हे तुम्ही टेम्पररी ब्रेन मध्ये ठेवलं तरी खूप झालं. What logic was used? It was said that what is length? Length हे काय असतं? तर it is the path followed by wavelength. Path of wavelength. Wavelength म्हणजे this is a wave. This is wavelength. Distance between two consecutive crests or two consecutive throw, as I have shown here. And what is this? Lambda. Symbol lambda. Are you okay? So, what is length? Length is a fundamental quantity with SI unit as meter. What standards were used to measure? What standards were used to define length? It was considered that length is the path. Path followed by. Path followed by whom? By path of wavelength of orange light emitted by atoms of krypton. आता हे तुमच्या डोक्यावरून जाणार, हे तुम्ही टेम्पररी लक्षात ठेवा की what basis were used to define length. Length was the wavelength. Length was the wavelength or path of wavelength. हे बघा, path of wavelength of the orange red light emitted by atoms of krypton. ठीक आहे, एकदम टिपिकल आहे हे, ज्याला काही सेन्स नाहीये. त्यावेळेला तसं म्हणलं की लेंथ हे नेमकं काय असतं बाबा, तर लेंथ ही एक पाथ असते. पाथ ऑफ व्हॉट? पाथ ऑफ वेवलेंथ ऑफ ऑरेंज रेड लाईट, बिकॉज ऑरेंज रेड लाईट इज एमिटेड बाय होम? बाय ॲटम्स ऑफ क्रिप्टॉन. पॉइंट नंबर 1. पॉइंट नंबर 2, मग दिस डेफिनेशन वॉज मॉडिफाईड. ह्याला काय सेन्सिबल वाटलं नाही म्हणून मॉडिफाय केलं गेलं. व्हॉट वॉज modified definition of length? Modified definition of length. It was defined as the path of the what you can say, the path of light covered in vacuum. Covered in vacuum in 1/299.792458 seconds. Okay, wavelength चे definition काय? Length चे definition काय? It is the path of light, path covered by light, sunlight I am speaking about. Path covered by, कारण त्यावेळेला काय ट्यूबलाइट नव्हते. Student, this research was done in 19th century. एडिसन जन्माच्या अगोदर. The path of light, the path covered by light in vacuum in 1/299.792458 second. म्हणजे एवढ्या सेकंड मध्ये what is the path covered by light in vacuum? That is the definition of what is length. तुम्ही म्हणा टीचर लेंथ इतकी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड असते, हे आम्हाला आजच कळते. नॅचरली हे फिजिक्स आहे स्टुडंट्स. फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी लेंथ. लेंथ ही कुठून आली, कशी आली, काय आहे? इट इज द पाथ कवर्ड बाय लाईट इन व्हॅक्यूम इन किती सेकंड्स? 1/299.792458 seconds. कळतंय? विच इज ऑलमोस्ट द स्पीड ऑफ लाईट स्टुडंट्स. आणि म्हणून तर आम्हाला of light is the 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. That is the line. That is the point here. ठीक है? I repeat. What is the definition of length? It is the path covered by light in vacuum in 1 upon so and so seconds. Are you okay? That is the definition of length. Next, measurement of length. Students, today we learn something called as parallax method. तुम्ही माझे gestures follow करा हा आज. What is, students, I repeat it again. What is length? Length is the path covered by the wavelength of orange red light emitted by atoms of krypton, which is very old fashioned and which has very less sense. So this definition was modified to define length. And what is the definition of length? It is the path covered by light in vacuum in 1 upon 299, 79, 24, 58 seconds. Are you okay? Now, students, पहला है parallax method करूँ क्या? हाँ, मैं तुम्हारे explain करते हैं. And why is it useful? एक point समझते हैं. SI unit of length is meter, but meter is not a suitable unit to measure the distance of heavenly bodies like planets from Earth. Okay. Speaking about stars and all is a very different story, students, because sun is the closest star to Earth and that is 4,500 million kilometers, 4.9 light years. हे पुढची स्टार आहे which are very very far away. So we can't use that meter scale to measure the distance between Earth and the heavenly bodies. It's very very difficult, and therefore we should know this typical method which is called parallax method. I'll show you. Just follow my gestures. Students, keep your left eye, hold your hand in front of your eyes. Keep your left hand close. You observe it. Okay, and then you close your right hand, right eye. Left eye once, you observe your hand, keep the position of the hand as it is. Once, close your left eye, observe. Then close your right eye, observe. Left eye, observe. Right eye, observe. What do you observe here? The position of object, which is hand, changes. This is called parallax position. What is parallax method? It is the apparent म्हणजे actually हाताची पोझिशन बदलत नाही. apparent म्हणजे काय? imaginary किंवा approximate. the apparent change, तुम्ही बघा हाताची पोझिशन आपल्याला चेंज झाल्यासारखी वाटते. ह्याला आपण parallax method म्हणतो. Means what? Parallax method is simple. It is very simple. Apparent change in the position of the object due to change in the position of the observer. Observer here is teacher and object is hand. So what is parallax method? It is the apparent change in the position of the object. हात तुम्हाला असं वाटतं की हलतोय. एकदा ही साइडला सरकल्यासारखा आणि when you close your left eye you find that it is moved in this side. So apparent means what? अंदाजे. Actually ते change होत नाही. पण we feel that. Okay. Parallax method is the apparent change in the position of the object due to change in the position of the observer. Change in the position of the observer because we have two beautiful eyes. म्हणून आपल्याला तो फायदा आहे. ठीक है? That method is called as parallax method. Like for example, this typical parallax method is used to calculate, generally used to calculate the distances of distant objects like planets, stars, etc. Okay? एक example सांगते. समजा E1 and E2 are the positions of the two eyes. We'll put it like this. O is the position of the object. O is the position of the object which is at a distance capital D. Hand है तो. Hand है. Which is at a distance capital D from the two eyes. Let the distance between the two eyes be small d. Then parallax method is theta. If theta with the angle made between the direction of the position of the eyes and the object, theta with the angle, then it is observed that By using this technique, students, that S is equal to r theta. Actually, arc is radius multiplied by angle. So small d is capital D multiplied by theta. हे लॉजिक वापरून मला कॅपिटल D, that is distance between the eyes and the object, calculate करता येतं. How? D is equal to small d upon theta. Using this logic, we can measure the position of distant objects like planets by using the parallax method. So what is parallax method? It is the apparent change in the position of the object due to change in the position of the observer. मी observer आणि हा object. एकदा right eye बंद करायचा and once you close the in the next moment you close the left eye. You know असा हल्ल्यासारखं वाटतं आपल्याला. सिंपल आहे मुलांनो, काय मोठं इंटरनॅशनल नाही आहे, कारण दिस इज अ व्हेरी crude method or an old method. That's it. Using this logic, if E1 and E2 are the position of the eyes separated by a distance d, माझ्या eyes मधलं जर distance 4d असेल and hand is making a subtending an angle theta to the direction of position of the eyes, then we can calculate capital D as small d divided by theta. This is arc is equal to radius multiplied by angle. Therefore, distance is equal to d upon theta. आता what logic we can use here? Look here. समजा students, O is the position of the planet whose distance is to be measured from the earth's surface. Consider two position on the earth. ही earth है. Consider two position on the earth's surface. Consider 2 points on the earth's surface. Let O be the position of the planet and A and B are the two position of the observer who is on the earth's surface, who is interested in calculating the distance of that planet from the earth. Huh? Students, observe the planet from position A. Observe the planet from position B. Let it make an angle theta. This is, let me say, B is the distance between positions A and B, and this is capital D. Then what do we get here? What is B equal to? The arc is equal to D into theta, or theta is equal to B upon D. Theta is equal to what? B upon D. Using this, we can calculate capital D, that is distance of the planet from the earth. Distance of the planet from the earth as D is equal to B upon theta. I'll repeat. A and B are the positions of the observer, two different positions of the observer on the earth's surface. O is the position of the planets whose distance from the earth is to be measured. Theta is the angle subtended. Then what logic we can use here? Arc is equal to radius multiplied by theta. Therefore, theta is equal to B upon D. Ends the job. That's it. Are you okay? झालं. हे एक झालं. उद्या आपण परत पुढचं कंटिन्यू करूया. ठीक आहे स्टुडंट्स? बाय फॉर टुडे.